Today started with a wave and maybe a little strut. Skyline approved. Hair up, you know that means business. Poolside business, obviously. A little splash and a little sass. Call it water cardio with a side of flair. Yes, that's a cha-cha in the water. No, we didn't practice, and yes, we still nailed it. Mary was mixing like it was happy hour at high tide. Lunch, fire. The tea, even hotter. Good food and great company, a recipe for joy. Juan said, let's turn it up. We said, say less. And then the sun clocked in for golden hour, and the pool turned into a dance floor. Some days, you just have to create your own sunshine. We didn't chase the light. We became it. Some moments you don't plan. They just become the ones you'll never forget. Juan didn't just dance. She reminded us how to live.